Morning students, we continue next problems of the 6.1, the topic rate of change of some quantities. Okay, next problem is 10th one, question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. Stop. The bottom is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder. The bottom of the ladder is pulled. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along. Along the ground. Away from the wall. At the rate of 2 centimeter per second. At the rate of 2 centimeter per second. To stop. How fast is its height? How fast is its height? On the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away. 4 meter away from the wall. This is question mark. So this is the problem. Let's read the question. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Away from the wall. At the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Full stop. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? So first of all, given ladder length. This is ladder. Ladder length 5 meter. Pulled away. The ladder is pulled away. this. Okay, right. This is A, B, C, D, E. Right. How much this length? Let it be this length is equal to x is equal to already given 4 meter. From the wall to the ladder 4 meter length. Next change in length, change in foot of the ladder. How much? 2 centimeter at the rate of how much rate? At the rate of dx by dt at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. This is 2 centimeter per second. And the rate, how much fast, how much rate from this point to this point means 2 dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. Next they ask how fast is its height. From this how fast rate of change of height means rate of decrease from the wall, vertical wall, how much? So that will find what is the rate of decrease. This is let it be y value. This is y value. So this is the vertical wall means perpendicular. ABC is the right angle triangle. So first of all you write what is given data. Length of the ladder. Length of the ladder is equal to 5 meter. Length of the ladder is equal to 5 meter. Length from the wall to the ladder, wall to the foot of the ladder, foot of the ladder, x is equal to 4 meter. First you find y value from triangle, from the triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Right angle triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. AB square means y square, BC square means x square, AC square is equal to 5 square. So y square, x square value 4 square, 5 square. So that implies y square is equal to 25 minus 16. That implies y square is equal to 9. Y is equal to 3 meters. Y is equal to how much? 3 meters. Y is equal to 3 meters. And the given rate of change, how much? From point C to E, how much is dx by dt? Okay. Dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. So y is 3 meters, so x is 4 meters, so ladder length also 5 meters. So better to convert this also meter per second. That implies dx by dt is equal to 0.02 divided by 100. 0.02 meter per second. 0.02 meter per second. So that is the given data. What we find? We will find this is y. Change in height of the ladder from A point to D point, that is nothing but we will find dy by dt. Dy by dt is question mark. Change in y with respect to time. That is given data. What we will find? Must you understand this one. Okay. Alright. We find dy by dt. Okay, I erase this one. Okay, already know AB square plus BC square is equal to y square. That implies this is y. Y square plus x square is equal to 25. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 25. We want to dy by dt differentiate with respect to t. So that implies this is equal to 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt. This is constant. 25 is the constant. Therefore, this is 0. Right. 2 into x value. X value is distance from the wall, bottom of the wall to the foot of the ladder. How much? 4 meters into dx by dt. 0.02 meter per second plus 2 into y value got 3 meters. 3 into dy by dt is equal to 0. So this is 8 0.8 to 16 8 zeros zeros 1. So that implies 0.16. 0.16 this is plus 236 into dy by dt is equal to 0. 6 into dy by dt, 6 into dy by dt is equal to that side minus times of 0.16. 0.16 this is 0. 0.16 dy by dt is equal to minus 0.16 divided by 6. Okay, this convert into rational number that implies 60 divided by 600 minus 60 divided by 600. How many times it will cancel? 8 table possible? 4 fours minus 4 divided by 4 ones, 4 fives, 0. 4 5 0. Still how many chance? This is okay 1 0. This is meter per second. Meter per second. We want centimeter per second. This is decreasing value. Change in this value is equal to dx by dt. Change in height, that also decreasing in height, that also centimeter per second. That's why multiple with the 100. That is equal to dy by dt is equal to minus 1600 divided by 600 centimeter per second. This is meter per second. So 2 zeros zeros cancel. That implies minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. This is dy by dt. So now, right, what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is the change, means decreasing height. Therefore, this is a negative value. Negative value means nothing but decreasing. Positive means increasing. Rate of decreasing in height. Rate of decreasing height on the wall. Ladder on the wall. Rate of decreasing height on the wall is equal to how much? Minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Students, this is minus. Dy by dt is equal to minus value means that is decreasing, negative. Plus means increasing. So this is the like this. Final step, rate of decreasing in height on the wall is equal to minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. See next question. 11th question. A particle moves along the curve along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Full stop. Find the points. Find the points on the curve. At which find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times. Is changing 8 times as fast. Is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Okay. A particle moves along the curve. This is the curve equation. Some particle moves along this curve. Stop. Then find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. What is given? Find the points on the curve at which y coordinates is change. Y coordinates means y changing 8 times as fast means that is nothing but with respect to time we take. So dy by dt is equal to 8 times the x coordinate. So that is nothing but dx by dt, right? Solution. Given curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. The y coordinate is changing 8 times as the x coordinate, right? From the given statement, dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt. dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt. So from the given curve, differentiate equation 1, 6 into dy by dt is equal to 3x square by chain rule, x derivative dx by dt plus 2 value 0. Y is constant, that is constant. So in place of dy by dt, replace dx by dt. Therefore, into 8 into dx by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Cancel. So that implies 3x square. 3x square is equal to 48. X square is equal to 48 by 3. X square is equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus root 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So those are the 2 points. Or there are find points. If x is equal to 4, take. If x is equal to 4, substitute 4 in 1. From 1, 6y is equal to x cube 4 cube plus 2 6y is equal to 4 cube 64 plus 2 6y is equal to 66 y is equal to 66 by 6 y is equal to 33 to 33 3's y is equal to 11 3 11s. Okay, otherwise directly here only 6 11s. Therefore 1 point 4 comma 11. Second, if x is equal to minus 4, if x is equal to minus 4 from 1, 6y is equal to minus 4 whole cube plus 2, that implies 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2, minus 64 plus 2, 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2 minus 62, y is equal to minus 62 by 6, y is equal to 2 table minus 31 by 3. Therefore second point minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3, minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. So these are the points. So a particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2 full stop. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is change in y coordinate. dy by dt is equal to 8 times as fast as the x coordinate, change in the x coordinate dx by dt. Okay, differentiate the equation 1. 6 into dy by dt is equal to x derivative 3x square and constant and x again by chain rule x derivative dx by dt plus this is the constant 0. Substitute this dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt and find first of all x value as it has two values plus or minus 4 and put x is equal to 4 in the equation 1, get y value 11 4 comma 11. Next to x is equal to minus 4, substitute in the equation minus 4 whole that implies y is equal to minus 31 by 3. So second point minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. This is first point 4 comma 11. This is the okay students. Let's next 13, do 12 problem, 12th one, 13th problem. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter. Has a variable diameter 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. 3 by 2 times of 2x plus 1. Find the rate. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. This is the problem, right? A balloon which always remains spherical means sphere shape. A balloon which always remains spherical as a variable diameter. What given diameter given 3 by 2 2x plus 1. Okay, there is no units, just given 3 by 2 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume. So change in volume they ask. Change in volume is, what is volume? V. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is change in volume means? So dV by with respect to x, dV by dx. Given question clearly, change its volume with respect to x. So dV by rate of change of volume with respect to x means dV by, with respect to time means dV by dt. So with respect to x means dV by dx. So first of all, clear and read the question and understand that one. Given question is a balloon diameter remains spherical as a variable diameter. Correct. Given spherical balloon diameter d is equal to 3 by 2 of kx plus 1. What is its radius? That implies radius is equal to d by 2. Radius is equal to d by 2. 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1 divided by 2. That implies 3 by 4 times of 2x plus 1. 3 by 2 times of 2x. 3 by 4 times of 2x plus 1. Volume of the sphere, that is nothing but a spherical balloon. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Question is change of its volume. Change of its volume means differentiate, derivative applied. Differentiate with respect to x. Given question is with respect to x. That implies dy by dx. dv by dx is equal to pi constant. Sorry, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 constant. Pi also constant. d by dx of here we take x in terms of x, otherwise wait 1 minute. 1 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute radius value. 4 by 3 into pi into 3 by 4 2x plus 1 whole cube. Radius 3 by 4 2x plus 1. This one replace, they ask with respect to x, so that's why this value convert in terms of x. That implies v is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into whole cube. 3 by 4 means this is 27. 64. 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1 whole cube. 3 table, 3 nines, 4 table, 4 16. So that implies 9 by 16 into pi. V is equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now we want to take change in the volume. So that's why differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to constant. 9 by 16 constant. Pi also constant. This is equal to d by dx of 2x plus 1 whole cube. That implies 9 by 16 into pi into 3. 3 of by change. First of all 2x plus 1 whole power 3 minus 1 square. It's chain rule. By applying chain rule, 2x plus 1 derivative 2x 1 derivative plus 0. Right. One more step. Right here this side. Okay. dv by dt. dv by dt is equal to 9 by 16 into pi into that value sorry 2x derivative to 2 plus 0, so 3 2's 6, 6 into 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is 2 8's, 2 3's. So finally 27 by 8 into 5 into 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the change its volume. So change its volume. So rate of change in volume is equal to 27 by 8 pi 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the